The Taiwan Climate Partnership set up a first-ever pavilion at COP28's Blue Zone. It emphasized carbon reduction by digital means.
科技业是一个很大的排放源，如果这些科技公司制造的过程当中能够减少碳排，其实是会帮助非常的大。所以这次呢，我就建议他们说，我们是不是可以有一个 pavilion， 把我们关心的科技业的议题能够在这个里面。除了科技之外，还有不一样的层面，气候变迁都要一起兼顾融合。Inclusion 这个在我们这个整个各界，科技也要人文。所以如何能够把它融合在一起？我第一个就想到慈济。
A side panel examining natural solutions, spirituality, and tech included representatives from the UAE, Indigenous Americans, as well as representatives from KPMG Taiwan, the Tzu Chi Charity Foundation, and Tzu Chi Mozambique.
So the topic I'm going to talk is relief for empowerment and growth. The solution to food security, I propose we can go plant-based diet.
That we can have this process going on throughout all the communities where CG Foundation works.
Weaving in my experiences, being an Indigenous woman.
My takeaway from today's panel is honestly that things are so much more complicated, especially being an Indigenous woman in academia and walking those worlds is extra complicated. So I definitely felt like a huge sense of responsibility that I needed to live up to.
Traditional Indigenous knowledge systems view the problem in a completely different light.
It was very, very interesting to hear different perspectives and to see different lenses speaking to that same core problem. And that helps us in realizing that their diversity is the key. And hopefully we can aim to have diversity and harmony together, and all these different perspectives get together for the greater common good.
Investing power. So we would like to introduce a lot of this kind of nature solution based.
以我们高度的鼓励，年轻人也能够向大自然学习，向大自然的解方，能够透过他们的创意，能够也开发出那真正可以改变或解救我们人类目前在地球上所面临的危机。
COP28 has featured greater reflection and introspection than ever before. Discussions on green tech, humanitarianism, and spirituality seek to bridge the disconnect with nature that's brought us here in the first place.